Hi everyone! Today's vegan dish is sake lees cake. Sake lees are produced in the manufacturing process of sake. The fermented moromi is divided into sake and lees by squeezing. The lees can only be made there, so sake lees contain 8% alcohol in 100 grams. However, in the case of this sake lees cake, it is baked at a high temperature, so no alcohol remains. In fact, lees are recognized for their excellent food function that enhance beauty and health benefits. The greatest benefit is to improve the intestinal environment with a lead-resistant protein. Sake lees cake is a wonderful lees dish that is easy to eat every day. Let's make it together. Ingredients. First, return sake lees to room temperature and need to soften them. Crush the banana. Sift the flour and almond powder together. Put rapeseed oil and sugar in a bowl and mix well. Add soy milk, sake lees raisins, and Koji and mix. Add flour and mix with a rubber spatula. Start preheating the oven at 170 degrees Celsius. Pour the dough into the mold. Pour the jam on the surface and mix it roughly with a spoon. You can put your favorite jam such as apple jam or blueberry jam. Bake in an oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. After 40 minutes, quickly cover the surface of the cake with aluminum foil. This will prevent the surface from burning. It's done. Freshly baked is delicious, but it will be even more delicious if it is aged in the refrigerator for a few days. Since the lees are rich, it has a thick taste without adding butter. It has a slightly sweet scent of lees. It's very delicious. I hope this information is useful to you. Please give it a try. I hope that many people will know the wonderfulness of Koji mold, which makes cooking delicious. I will continue to introduce Japanese fermented foods and shoujin ryori on my channel. I will tell you what kind of good work fermented foods have on our bodies and vegetable dishes using fermented foods. I appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel and share my channel with your family and friends. ありがとうございました。